Yo, what's good, Benny? The Aki way. Oh shit. Bro, I'm going out there soon. I have to. I gotta try the Aki sandwich, man. It's Friday, bro. I was like, you know what? The gym is over with. I got shit to do in a little bit. May as well throw on the fit. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know when. I still haven't no clue how that's gonna go, but I just know for sure I gotta go out there before I leave the States. Can't believe I've lived here so long and never seen NYC, man. It's a shame. What part of NY do you live in, Benny? Queens? Nice. Nice. You know where I want to go? I want to go to Brighton, that Russian Ukraine area. Gotta check it out. It's probably a shithole, but still interesting. Yeah, I bet. I bet. So like whenever I visit Russia, everyone always asks me like, why do you live in Texas, bro? That is not the Russian way. It's either New York or somewhere in Cali. But like Texas, bro, what are you doing? It's like, bro, I had no choice. Oh yeah, no doubt. No doubt. That is like the hub of the world. It's just Cali has nature like no other place in the world, man. It's like Dre said, or Kendrick, women, weed, and weather. It's insane out there. All right, I want to see how we react to this area here and the 800s, like priority high zone. Hopefully we don't just continue going up. So far I like this rejection on the 5-minute. What's going on, Dave? Good morning, sir. Yeah, no man's land for me too, sir. And I'm locked out anyway until 9:39. Yeah, main watch for me is just this little area, this little cluster here from pretty much yesterday. This depends on the idea, sir. It's like, if it's something higher time frame, I'll lean on 1, 2, or the 5 with a very wide stop. If it's something like a little intraday structure, I'll probably use the 30-second or the 1. Tight stop. So just kind of adjusting it on the fly. Yo, what up, Mighty Samurai? What's funny is like that whole summer of me scalping for 5 points and like doing little structure sweeps and all that stuff, I learned so much about just kind of how price moves. So that was definitely not time wasted. And then now that I've been doing kind of like more a higher time frame, trading higher time frame pivots, leaning more on like the 5 and the 15 for entry, I also learned a lot, so it's kind of cool. I definitely, I don't know, I'll definitely end up somewhere good the way this is going. Like, I'm always adjusting. I can never... I have yet to find something like Kyle where I'm just locked in on the exact same method. But at the same time, I think up until like the last year and a half, he was also always like adjusting the way he executes, the way he kind of looks at the market. So you learn and then you adapt. Main thing lately is like I've just been wanting to kind of take my time and not blow my combine or my XFA if I'm wrong. So I size down to like 2 to 5 MNQ depending on the width, but usually like I just keep it around 3 and just go from there, 1 trade a day. That way if I go on a bad red streak, I don't just blow my account. And statistically with my hit rate, which is like around 65-70%, I should be okay. As long as I don't tilt. Pretty much no matter what I do. No matter what I trade. Damn, everything is dumping across the board except NQ. Yeah, exactly. And like what was a slippery slope for me is I mean, this has been my whole trading career, is I would say 90% of the time, if I started the day red, usually led to blown accounts or a very, very red day if I kept trading. So that's why I'm doing 1 trade a day right now. Just for now anyway. Just kind of want to see how that turns out. It's funny because like I've had days where I've came back from a red day, but they're so far and few between. But it still teaches my mind that like, oh, I could always come back from this. But like statistically speaking, no, it's usually a blown account every time. Yeah, been there. Exactly. Just, it's like Kyle says, like, you gotta avoid teaching your subconscious all the bad habits. What's going on, Gabe? No, I don't like blowing accounts, man. Not unless I've taken some fat payouts and don't care about it anymore. Like this one, I don't really care about this account. I mean, I still care about it, but I'm not gonna full port it. But if I lose it, I'm not gonna be sad about it. I have about 4 XFAs as backup, and I've taken a few payouts out of this one, so I got my investment back and more. So I like 10x'd my $200 investment, or more than that. But at that point, that's when I don't really care to blow the account. But it's still not pleasant. Gabe, well, how much size do you trade on 50K accounts? If you even trade 50K accounts. One lot? Yeah, that's about right. Anything more than that is a quick way to Funky Town. Do you set a DLL or like, I don't know. What's your max pain limit on those accounts? 10 micros? I mean, yeah, it's the same thing. It's so easy to go like negative $1,000 trading one lot or 10 micros on one of those on a 50K account, and you only have 2K of a drawdown. Like, unless you're a very good risk manager. Oh, okay, on Topstep only. Yeah, that's all. That's 20 points. Yeah. I was thinking about that too. One of my XFAs, like when I'm done trading this, my original one, potentially switch over and do what I used to do and just scalp like 1 or 2 minis NQ for 5 to 10 points. Just go for those base hits, like just go for those like $200, $400 days. Because I've definitely got payouts like that before. I was just always very, very upset whenever I blew those accounts. And it's pretty easy to do so. But like I said, I got a bunch of backups now, so like I'm kind of willing to take the risk. Yeah, you gotta look only for A+, that's the thing, exactly. Whatever your A+ is. Nice bounce versus VWAP. No trade for me, but just structurally speaking, Chrissy and Ray are probably smiling. I knew it, I was gonna say, bro. This is Rain Man special right there. Look at that. Structure. If we break this, I'd take a pullback to this. And it's also like this area here. So we'll do something like that. Grab this. Son of a gun. Could smell you in there, buddy. Could smell the maple syrup and fresh bread on the tape. Let's see, do we got anything? Anything that wasn't supposed to be here? Trump way later, but yeah, it's gonna be a slow day. No data, no nothing. Took it, Gabe. Nice. What's up, Chrissy? Yeah, 100%. Mighty Samurai. Always Wyckoff. Always Wyckoff. Wyckoff or market structure. It's either one. I mean, but they're both kind of one and the same. It's just like, if you're asking for entry specifically, yeah, I still like my sweeps, the Wyckoff springs and up thrusts, and I like the old higher low reclaim retest type entries through a level. The short? Or what? I was looking at this right here. Kind of like it. I mean, I don't know if I would take it, but I like this zone for a short. Just tough with the overall uptrend. But I do like it. Yeah, the long's tough. Yeah, for sure. For sure. For sure. Like I said, I definitely like the short here, like near term. It's just harder for me to take something like that, especially after what I did yesterday against the trend. So I gotta learn my lesson there. I don't know. Not my A+. Man, somebody got a nice trade right here. This is clean. Right through here. Like that a lot. Dave, you should have been in that, man. That's London time. Watching it. Nice. Yeah, I've seen some insanely great setups come overnight. Pre-market. Oh, right here? Or, wait. Yeah, like kind of this area. guess. Yeah, nothing looks compelling yet for me. Probably wait until 10 a.m. and after. You're scared of the noodle, Gabe? What up, Albert? Almost thought you weren't coming, man. On a Friday too? No, I don't think so. I don't see nothing on the tape anyway. Just structure based. Yeah, nothing on the tape. Bro, Chrissy, what are you talking about? What slow mode? Oh, really? I don't... The settings are normal? Or are you trying to spam or what? Maybe it's that. I don't know. I don't see anything different in the settings. Let me see. Yeah, Gabe, that's what I'm looking at. Either an up thrust or if it like blows right through it, I'll be looking for a reclaim retest continuation type deal. There's your little up thrusty. All right, Chrissy, I turned off comment moderation. Basically, it was filtering inappropriate comments, so now you could say something wild, and it will let you. Just don't mention anything crazy. Oh man, that's clean. No up thrust on MNQ though. Interesting. Yeah, no up thrust on MNQ, just on NQ. But there you go, Gabe. Clean. Clean 2 minute. Oh my god, bro. Anyone? Yes, right. You're the only trader here. I knew you were itching to trade when you were looking at YM pre-market. What'd you do? Took the up thrust? Yep, thruster. There's your reclaim retest of the overnight high on the 15 sec. For the small time frame enjoyers. Took the up thrust. Nice, Gabe. Bro was standing on business when he said he wanted that up thrust. I'm just trying to stimulate Chrissy, Albert. I know he's getting bored of me looking at anything higher than a 30. Yeah, what is this range? 30 yoints. You know, as much as I would love to take a reclaim retest here, it is tough with the prior day high rejecting or being rejected so far. Plus, like I said, this whole little area. I don't know, man. Not the easiest of mornings to pick a direction for me. Yeah, same, Benny. Eyes on the 5. Took long for the 2 minute. I had it on my other screen. So, entry through this hammer. Will it work? TBD. This thing's looking like it's about to roll over. Up thrust, lower high, something like that. But there's definitely fight for price in the same area where I was interested. Oof, yeah. Actually, I didn't see this. Now that we're past 10 a.m. This 2-hour closed very bullish in regard to this action yesterday. So that's interesting. 4-hour as well. The 1 hour looks okay. 30, the 30 doesn't look that good. No, not great price action at all. Not at all. I wanted a clean move in either direction, like either up or, you know, roll over and stop me out. Never fun to just sit here. There you go, Chrissy. Look at him. But he can say what he wants now. You know what time it is, man. It's time to doom scroll to make me forget that I'm in this trade. Would hate to look at chop and get emotionally involved with an open position. Just trying to set and forget. So entertain me, Chrissy. Say something. Tell me a story. Just take it to Valhalla. Let's go. Run it. Staircase up, elevator down. Nah, I'm long. I'm long, bro. I just hate sitting in a trade that doesn't do anything. Like, I'll happily get stopped out and just move on with my day, rather than sitting here watching it do nothing. Shit to do, man. Life to live. Don't want to sit here watching a whole bunch of nothing. Dump it. Granted. I like it. I don't even think it's a shit trade because clearly we weren't the only buyers involved, obviously. I mean, look at it. Just so much fight for price. They even gave it a push, like tried a couple of times. So I don't think it's a shit trade at all. Yeah, it's our team lost. That's all it is. I don't think it's a shit trade by any means, though. It's a little lower quality given that prior day high rejected. I would say that's my only issue with it, as I was saying before I even entered it. But other than that, I think it was solid. I mean, like, look, there's still buyers trying here, clearly. So I don't know. I don't know about you. That just tells me that my idea was at least decent. It aligns with market structure too. As you know, we're in the uptrend, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Dave's not over yet. That's what I fear the most, man, is that they're gonna keep me here for an hour just chopping, bro. That's happened to me a few times in the last 2 months of trading. Trading in this fashion of going for like wider targets. Bro, sitting there for like 3 hours just watching it do a whole bunch of nothing. Insane. What's up with Albert, man? He's a little quiet. What's he doing? What you doing, Alert? Alert? Is he pushing? Is he pulling? We need your help in either direction. Shorting 800? I knew it. I had a hot feeling you were. I don't blame you though. I do like that short. I really do. Up thrust Friday high, little lower high. Even here, a little lower high. Like, I like it, man. I like it. Chrissy can't fathom traders looking at the same chart and having different trade ideas. Yeah. That's what makes the market, man. That's what makes the market. We look at the same chart, see different things. It's exactly why there's a fight for price. Because we're not the only ones. Oh yeah, 15-minute. This is not looking favorable. There you go, boys. Now I can go enjoy my day. That's that. Take my screenshots for review later. days like this, and I've had them, this is my third one like that. So this is the week for me, so it's a red week. But all 3 of these days, I was up like, I don't know, like 15 points or so, maybe 10, 15 points or so before it turned around. And days like that make me think about the time where and why I started trading like scalping for for 5 points, 10 points with 1 or 2 lots of minis. And that's exactly what I started doing. I was like getting so annoyed of red days when I shouldn't have been red. Like those could have clearly been green, but because the trade idea was decent, I was green a little bit, but then I gave back open profit. Cue house music. Now I'm about to go get a haircut and review stuff. Ponder on activating an XFA and trying out what I just said. Not today, but I definitely want to review the month so far and just see how many red days that I have that essentially were green at first and how many points I gave back before they turned red. Like today, right? Late entry at 94.75. So I had open profit of 12 points. I mean, it's nothing, but it's enough to get some base hits and a payout. Trading 1 lot. And then this account can probably suffer 3 more days like this and it'll blow. So when it does, or if it does, I'll probably try out the other one, the other method. Alongside this same thing I'm doing. Like I said, I have 4 more accounts in the back. But yeah. That's the day. What's cool too is like I was able to recognize all this, like up thrust. I mean, this isn't that great of a long. This just shorts. Like I could see them happening against me. If I wasn't in a position, I may have shorted, but it is what it is. I picked my side for the morning, and it was a long off the overnight high. It just made sense. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see y'all on Monday, or I'll see you guys in the think tank today, but I'll throw on another stream on Monday. Yes, sir. Do your review, do your weekly review, and yeah, see y'all on Monday. Later.